What brought me into manufacturing is that I have grown up in manufacturing with our family, and has always been a passion of mine to see how things were made and how I could play a part in the process. So what brought me into sales is the people. I'm a big people person, getting to help our customers solve their problems, figure out how to make things more advanced in their shop, and see the smile on their face at the end of a long project. One of my most rewarding projects, I would have to say, at my time at Lyndex-Nikken is working with our customers, advancing their shop as the industry turns towards Industry 4.0, and automating their shops by implementing presetters throughout their shop, helping them save time measuring their tools and making chips in order to make money. Being able to work at Lyndex-Nikken selling the highest quality tools in the world allows me to get in front of any type of customer. Regardless the size shop or project ahead of us, there's something that we have to offer for whatever type of application that could help any spindle and any customer. Regarding the quality of our products, our customers stand behind the Lyndex brand as we do as the sales staff supporting the product, knowing that every time they open a box that says Lyndex-Nikken on there, they're getting top-tier quality, top-tier technology, every box. One of the most rewarding times we went above and beyond for a customer of ours was introducing the customer to a different type of technology that they were used to. And in doing so, by implementing these tool holders into their shop, they were able to reduce their cycle time by 25%, leading them to be a more productive shop. So the advice I would give someone joining the manufacturing industry would be to jump in head first. It's an ever-evolving industry with a ton of opportunity that allots for a very rewarding lifestyle if you put the work in and you get to meet a lot of great people along the way. Reach out to Lyndex-Nikken. There's no project too big or too small. We're always willing to help. We're a wealth of knowledge and we thrive in the difficult application.